Welcome to Section 8, More Programs 1. This section focuses on applying the fundamental concepts we have learned, including variables, data types, operators, and I/O functions, through practical exercises. Our first task is to read and display student details. 1. Receiving student input. We will ask the user for the student's name, age, and GPA separately. Remember the rule: input always returns a string. We must use typecasting for age, which is an integer, and GPA, which is a floating point number. If you forget the float casting for the GPA, it would prevent later operations or accurate display. 2. Displaying formatted output. We now use f-strings to present the stored information clearly. We will also apply formatting to the GPA to ensure it only shows 2 decimal places, an example requirement for academic scores. To summarize, this program applies typecasting when reading numerical input and demonstrates how to use f-strings for clear, controlled output, like setting decimal precision for the GPA. Our next lecture, 0802. Average of 3 numbers.